to show you something here in the pasture field. Come in on this tree. And look in this tree. Can you stop just a minute, Raj? See the bird on the right? And you see the bird on the left? Now why they've chosen that bare tree, I don't know. But look how tall it is. He said they are crows. Watch. Let me take you out from it now. See, the Lord gave everything in nature. Thought they were going to make a noise for us. I heard them caw. They stopped. The Lord gave everything. There you go. Gave everything a nature and a voice and a way to live. And everything speaks back to Him. Do you talk to Him?